Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning to you. This is a 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Bring you another quote to try and help kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom. Your vibe attracts your tribe. We already know that you are influenced by the 4 people you spend the most time with day after day. But to have got those other people with you, they saw something in you, something that attracted them to your vibe and to see what you're all about. Maybe an interest, maybe a hobby, a place that you go to together. Your vibe will always attract your tribe. These are the people who want to spend time with you, so always try and let off and let those good vibes flow.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.